Welcome to Kids Virtual School.
Hello, little learners. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn the table of 5. Are you ready to sing along and count with us? Let's start. The table of 5 is just like magic. Let's see how it works. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. Now let's say it together. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing the table of 5 and soon you'll be a counting expert. Don't forget to come back for more fun learning videos. See you next time, little learners.